6 strong brands, 1 global network, 1 shared mission. Manor, Synventive, Foboa, Priamus, Thermoplay, Gamaflux. Together, we are Molding Solutions, your partner for high-end tooling, hot runner systems, and intelligent process technologies. From initial concept to full-scale production, we support our customers with experience and innovative strength. We understand the demands of your industry: automotive, medical and pharma, packaging, electronics. Molding Solutions Global, with locations in the Americas, Europe, and Asia, and our new facility in India. We are close to our markets. 8 production locations. Global growth. India, Pune. Germany, Balingen. Italy, Pont Saint-Martin. China, Suzhou. Germany, Haslam. USA, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Over 2,000 employees worldwide. Hot runner drop volume, 65,000 per year. Over 700 patents and trademarks. Cavities, 10,000 per year. Mold making, together with 120 years of experience. From micro-precision to cube technology, we develop tooling for maximum performance. Our innovations are shaping the future of plastics processing smarter and more efficient. Molding Solutions. Precision, intelligence, performance.